Check out this Cadillac 2015 CTS Sedan 2.0L Turbo Luxury. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: navigation system, driver awareness package, preferred equipment group 1 SE, seating package, 13 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, Bose Premium 11-speaker surround sound system, radio data system and radio, Cadillac Q-Info Media Cont embedded nav. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.